Okay, so this is the third cockatiel breeding update on this pair. There's nothing else has changed with them. They're still breeding. They still have their one baby. But this pair, when they had the eggs, the female, the cinnamon whiteface pearl, and the male is a norm or the pearl split or something. They now, if I can get her to squeal right there. They now have, hold on. A new baby, as you can see right there. And that egg right next to it is supposed to be hatching soon. I'm guessing since she's a white-faced cinnamon pearl and he's a pearl split or something, that the baby is either going to be a white-faced pearl or a white-faced cinnamon pearl. So I guess I'll keep updating the videos to when he starts fledging out so I can let everyone know. Thanks.